Hi, in this video we will show you how to disassemble and clean the Eurosens Direct fuel flow meter. One important advantage of Eurosens flow meters is that if the meter is clogged, it can be cleaned on the site without sending the product to the manufacturer's service center. This is because disassembling and reassembling the Eurosens meter does not affect the meter's calibration. Eurosens users are allowed to remove the seals and clean the meter themselves. First, unscrew the 4 screws securing the meter mounting plate. Remove the seal. Next, unscrew the 3 long screws that connect the measuring chamber to the electronic module. Remove the screws fixing the measuring chamber cover. The measuring chamber is open. The measuring ring should move smoothly with the finger without feeling the dirt particles jamming under the ring. Wipe chamber with a microfiber cloth soaked in alcohol-based cleaning composition. You can use also compressed air to remove small particles. Make sure that no dead particles are visible and that the measuring ring moves evenly. Reassemble the measuring chamber in the reverse order. First, connect the cover of the measuring chamber. Then connect the chamber and the electronic module with the long screws. Thread the sealing rope through one of the plate mounting screws and the holes in the housing. Install the mounting plate. Install the screw seal. The meter assembly is complete. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to our Telegram channel. The link is in the video description.